Today, I will show you how to add a music bot to your Discord server so you and your friends can listen to music together in real time. Open Discord and go to the server where you want to add the music bot. In the top left, click on the server name and select Server Settings. On the left menu, and select App Directory. Keep in mind that you can only do this if you are the server owner or have administrator permissions. In the app directory, search for your preferred music bot. If you do not have one in mind, we will use Fredboat as an example. Click on Add App and grant all the necessary permissions. Once installed, join a voice channel in your server. In any text channel, type the command /play followed by a song title or URL. Fredboat will show you search results from different platforms. Choose the number that matches your desired track and the song will be added to queue. You can click on the music room to listen your song. For a more personalized experience, you can create custom playlists. To create one, type /playlist manage, create followed by the playlist name you want. To add songs to it, type /playlist manage add track, followed by the playlist name and the song title or URL. Fredboat has many more features, so you can explore them through its help commands or documentation. That is how you can add and use a music bot on Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides.